Hello. Today we'll learn about the phrase frown upon somebody. It means to disapprove of someone's actions. For example, if a community frowns upon loud talking, they don't like it. You use frown upon to show social or moral disapproval. Remember, it is a transitive phrasal verb. You say frown upon someone or frown upon something. For example, the school frowns upon cheating. You cannot say frown someone upon. That is wrong. It is inseparable, so the object comes after upon. People often frown upon bad manners or dishonesty. It is a polite way to say someone does not approve. Synonyms include disapprove of and look down on. But look down on is stronger and more negative. Use frown upon when you want to sound neutral or formal. For example, many cultures frown upon public displays of affection. Try using it in sentences about rules or social norms. Now practice with this sentence. The company frowns upon late arrivals. Great! Keep practicing to improve your English. Thanks for watching. See you next time.